What's up, YouTube? Today we have a sneak preview. I guess proxy test, right? Yeah. Proxy test. We're just testing out some Gear Chronicles versus Great Nature right now. So sit back and enjoy. All right, yeah. So this is a preview. Answer of truth. I don't know how this plays. Let's see.
Oh, we got our cards as we go.
How do people even deal with this inconsistency of grade 4s? This is madness.
I put 3 back.
Yeah.
So one thing I like about Green Age is better. They can be more consistent than the other two.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my god.
Hi.
Yep. 15. 14, you can go first.
Don't it? Right.
Draw.
Alright. Draw.
I'll call. Alright, so I'll go 8 to van.
No guard.
Little cheeky boy over here. No trigger.
Power.
Not too bad.
End turn, but before the turn ends, I can Soul Blast 1, slide this hamster into Soul, and grab the grade 2 from my deck and add it to my hand.
Oh shit. Alright.
See, this is the consistency I was talking about.
Don't you get to write it?
No, it's just add to hand. You can read the card right here.
Oh, okay. So you never, okay.
But still, it helps
Yeah,
getting
yeah.
grade 2. Alright, so I'll add that and pass turn.
I should have played this card actually. That one garbage. When plays, put up to 1 card from your hand. From your. Oh no, I can't do that one yet. That's one of your drops on this one. That's right. Okay. Card's pretty good then. I'll go 10.
10? I'll no guard that one. Damage check.
10.
10. I'll go no pass. Alright, stand and draw. Alright, the grade 2 hamster.
I honestly thought that grade 1 said you get to write it in your first turn, so you're a grade 2 when they're like grade 1.
Nah, that'd be too broken.
That'd be hella clean. That's
Alright, and I'll call Toolbox Wallaby.
Tell that to your viewers. Right?
This kind of sucks though, the force. Alright, I'll swing 14. Since I have the hamster in the soul, he gains 5k on attack.
No guard.
Alright, drag check. Heal trigger, power here, heal.
Damn, back to back.
Alright, and then what does this card do?
When he attacks, I can bind a card from my drop zone.
Alright, I want that 19 to rear. Alright, pass turn.
He's taking damage.
Watch out for this toolbox ball.
I hate this, bro.
Oh, the
Oh
power
my
of Gear Chronicle.
The Geocyst.
There's gonna be a lot of dislikes.
Oh, you whiffed too.
It's okay, we lose.
I don't know if it's good content, man.
No, that's good content.
Why are you holding that grade 4? You know you can search that out from your deck.
I'm gonna freaking guard with it right now. Hold on. I should have guarded with it. So I can at least like do something with it. Ugh.
The inconsistency shows.
Vanguard,
How much?
16.
No guard.
Oh,
Ooh.
thanks.
First check, no trigger. Second check, no
Go
trigger.
ahead.
Here's where it gets kind of spicy. Ride. So his skill is when placed, if I have the grade 2 and grade 1 in the soul, I can discard 2 cards, get an extra Excel marker, and then search my deck for the 1 and 2. So I'll discard this grade 3 and a 15k shield. Then my drop, get an extra Excel marker, and then call the other 2. So I'll call here.
Fucking discard this card, Russ. I'm gonna discard it right now. Because it doesn't do anything in your hand, huh?
No.
Yeah, I should just discard it. Discard it.
Oh no, you're trying to please your viewers, but so far it's not working out. Huh?
That's why it's called playtesting, June. Big forehead.
You heard it here first.
I don't know if it's play testing when you G-assisted and missed.
That's part of the game. It does happen. Yeah, it's part of the game.
All I see is inconsistency.
Yeah, that's true.
How many grade 3s are you running?
4.
How many grade 4s are you running?
6.
Why?
Gotta make these Excel circles worthwhile.
Why?
Because you do, June.
Did you bind anything?
Not yet.
I misplayed.
Alright, so when I have
I
Hamsuke
can't-
on the Vanguard, he gains 4k, so I'll go 12 to Vanguard.
Oh. Okay, that's it's not.
Hey, no, it's good. 12, 1 to pass to Vanguard.
35.
No pass?
Yeah.
Twin drive. Ooh.
All
Yeah, all effects
kidding.
here.
I'm kidding.
No, all effects here.
Does that even hit?
25 crit to Van. This one hits.
How much is it?
25 with crit. A crit with the crit. And then when I have Hamsuke on the Vanguard, it gains another 3k, so yeah. Alright, pass turn.
Fire the card.
I should have discarded this.
Should've.
It's okay, I got it.
Alright, he got the one he needs.
Strive.
That's all I needed to do.
Strive.
I can stride.
Yeah, you can
Strive.
strive.
Don't forget about my 15k intercept, man. He's sitting there waiting for you.
Wait, which cards allowed you to bind?
Any card can bind.
Any card.
It's just
Oh. I forgot. I thought when he G-assist, I thought he counted in the bind zone.
This
but-
card's good.
it is, yeah.
Like it. So, skill, when your Vanguard is placed, draw a card and discard a card from your hand. You can discard a grade 3 or greater. 3 of your units get 5k. So, just have to discard a card, huh?
Yeah. So, and anything
Nah,
that
I'm
adds
not
up to
gonna do it.
3.
I'm not gonna do it.
Okay.
I'm not gonna do it.
It's like striding.
I need to stride.
Yeah, it's striding.
So, I'll just do this.
Alright, so you're striding. Ooh, he's striding.
And
Oh,
remember,
wait, that's the force marker too.
Going back to G era over here.
Yeah, let's do it. And then stride into.
But you don't get any of the effects because you only have.
Yeah, I don't have anything yet.
Okay.
go for the other guy.
But he only gets the skills on placement, right?
Yeah, they're all
Okay.
on place, I think. I think I should just save this one then.
Oh,
Yeah,
yeah,
I think you should ride the other one
yeah,
that
I'll
has
ride
the
this
actual
because I don't have
skill.
anything yet.
Alright, so yeah, that one gets a skill when you have one
What about
binded.
his second skill?
I don't have one binded yet. It's okay, this is just.
No, your grade 3 second skill.
Oh,
When
that's
he-
at the end of the turn. Oh, when Rotopon, if you want, you can counterblast to draw.
It's up to you.
Yeah.
I mean, you don't use much counterblast, so might as well. So is this on hit or?
No, when he attacks, I just bind the card from my
okay.
drop zone. I
That's all
should put
you
the
do.
force in the back. Fuck. So difficult. Vanguard.
How much?
25, 31.
No guard.
Sure. Oh no, I forgot.
Ooh. Power.
Alright, first check.
No, I don't got those skills.
Second check.
20, bind a card from your drop zone. Your opponent cannot call big ones or greater, so I'll just bind this.
Damn, that's hella good. Oh wait, does the effects apply?
No, it's only on place. At the end of the battle, put this card into your soul and draw a card. So 20. To your
20
left.
to Van?
Yeah.
No guard on that.
Skill.
Bro, why did you get you from 2 to 5?
And your opponent cannot
That's
conquer
good.
again at the end of the battle. Put this.
Now let me guess.
Skill. Retire this unit.
Ride it as rest, and then I
Ride
believe you get another
Again,
marker.
yeah, he gets another or enforce marker.
Go ahead.
Alright.
So you just keep doing this guy over and over again?
Yeah.
You don't need to do it anymore. Okay, that's pretty good. Okay.
How many great 4s do you have
Ride.
now?
Now, he can do the same skill as long as they're in the soul, so I'll use his
Yeah.
skill on placement. So discard 1, 2. Get an extra Excel marker.
It's okay, we're getting used to this, guys. Don't worry. This is part of the game.
See, this is why I can't play Vanguard because of
Call
that.
hamster
Because
right
it's cool.
here.
It's 2 plus overpowered.
And then
That's
I'll
too many
call-
Excel markers already. That's like,
What you talking about? That's a normal amount.
look at this.
That's actually pretty good. Hamster's actually putting in
I was
some work.
thinking of a turbo hamster build with just draw, so you can like reach just the amount of circles faster.
Bro, that's like
I
7
think if anything, because
attacks.
you have multiple attacks. Yeah, look at that. You have 7 attacks.
You need 8.
Just hope I don't
Excel
trigger.
markers,
And I don't
bro.
think I'm gonna do right now. It's pretty bad.
13.
Back then we only needed 4, and now he needs 8.
Boy, maybe I should run fronts. Alright.
Yeah, that crit trigger's getting in there.
We'll start off by going 15 to Van. Ooh, no heal, but ooh, that makes it harder.
Venom.
That makes it real harder. I don't think most of my attacks don't hit now.
Did you do this? Did you get power for this? No.
I didn't drop anything. I didn't use Leopold to the other ones. But he gains 4k, so it's gonna be 24 to Van. Alright, Twin Drive. First check.
These, bro.
Ooh. Oh, I can't give it to the crit now.
Well, he PG'd, but I can still give it to the other guys. So I'll give the crit and power here.
Okay.
So it's 32 now. Second check. Alright, and then 32 crit to Van.
That's it?
Alright,
None of
pass
your
turn.
units are hitting?
Nah, because he's forced. He has that extra 1k that makes it kind of harder.
Stride per turn. I mean, you can discard card jump to the grave.
I mean, even if I can't kill him, look at all the intercepts I have.
Skill. One face from hand. Burn a card from your hand. Draw a card.
Okay.
Mystery Flare.
It's a grade 4. It's proxied.
Draw a card.
Oh, you're at 8.
So I'm at 8 now.
Look at that.
Plus 3.
Okay.
Yeah, speed for this one.
So yeah, being at 8, if he rides Mystery Flare, he can't get the full effect.
But he still gets some though.
I don't know, we'll see right now.
Skill.
Uh-huh. Okay.
Discarded, when
It
discarded,
costs
yeah,
three,
if you
okay.
discarded, be like, so stride
Drive fodder, like what?
Stride fodder?
This is G era.
If he
Stride
goes
fodder?
mystery flare, he gets triple drive and a crit.
And yeah, it's
Do I do
fine.
now? I'm at 7, I'm at 8, yeah.
Yeah, you get it. It's all good. It's all good. You're chilling.
You're lucky he's not at 19.
Honestly, should have put it on that side.
He would have gotten
It's
the
like a
next
waste.
turn.
Roll upon, power blast 2.
Alright.
Card. Draw a card.
So you just roll the jump.
Oh,
Skill.
Uh-oh.
So blast 2.
Mm-hmm.
Damn, that trigger hurted you.
I'm saying Excels to get wrecked.
Put a grade 3 or greater card from your drop.
Honestly, the number one matchup I think Excel loses to is Force because of the extra 1k.
Thank God they don't have that
Drop
time
card?
lead. Can you buy another one?
No.
Look at all my
35.
intercepts, dude. Like I have a value of 30k on the field.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, you do have
5,
shield value.
10. Oh, yeah.
How much?
13.
13? So I actually get value if I intercept for that, so that's what I'm gonna do. So it's 14?
25. Oh, does it get power?
This one does not, actually. Because I have 8 now, right?
Yeah, you only have 8.
So, crit.
Just create a triple drive.
Triple drive, yep.
So,
So,
25.
25 plus 6, 31. I forgot to do this skill too.
So I'll go 27.
The highest I could go is 61.
27 plus 15.
42.
42.
So.
And you're at 31, so you need
That's 2 to pass.
2 to pass.
out of 3.
Out of 3.
That's 2 to pass out of 3.
You need to drop another one, boy. Intercept. You intercept. Oh, you can't. Oh.
You need 2.
Well, you have an intercept.
Yeah, 2 to pass out of 3. Do it.
Oh.
Cards in hand 2?
I don't know, dude.
I don't know. He has 2 more.
All effects. I
Okay.
just need 1 more.
Yeah,
Just 2
yeah,
pass.
1 more. Yeah.
Oh my god. Oh!
Yeah, you got
Oh,
it.
shit.
The comeback.
Oh, what the fuck?
I got greedy, dude. That
Yeah.
that third check hurt me.
Dude.
Oh my god.
Actually changes things.
Oh shit, yeah, that's different. Alright, we're going on to game 2 now, guys.
He's got chronoed.